Okay, say something then.
Hello,
What's your name?
Lyra.
How old are you?
4.5.
And what's today?
Tuesday?
It is actually. What's special about today?
It's your birthday.
Yay! And is there anything you want to sing for me? Come on then.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
Can I sing another like this time?
Yeah.
Pen by Harris CD. Pen by Harris CD. Pen by Harris, dear Mammy. Pen by Harris CD.
Yay. Thank you, darling.